Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Neha. I make video on tech and my life in the UK. Today's video, we are gonna do a hands-on application in ReactJS. We are gonna take an API. We are gonna build an application over that by using ReactJS. We are gonna use Tailwind for CSS and we are gonna add some icons there. If I talk with respect to the features, we are going to do API request. We are going to do a search on that. We are going to add pagination, as well as we are going to do conditional rendering of the data. Okay. So these are the features we are going to add. So let's now talk about what we are using. So right now in front of you, we are on the website Rick and Morty API. This is the public API. So the API we are going to use here is we will go to the REST. And we are going to focus on the characters. So we are going to do an API request to this particular API endpoint. What will happen is it will return us all the characters, and the data which we will be getting from this API, we will use few of the keys. In addition to that, it will also give us the information of pagination, like number of pages, next, previous, and all that. We are going to use that data to create our pagination also. So this is the API we are going to use. And as I told you, for CSS, we are going to use Tailwind. We are going to use icons also. So I will be using feather icons. Instead of CRA, create React app, we will be using Vite or White, the way you want to pronounce it. I will say Vite. So I will be using Vite to do that. Let me give you a quick demo of the application that what we are going to build. So this is how it is going to look. We have a search. We have total characters. And we have this list of cards coming. This is coming from API. This is our pagination because this is first page. That's why our previous is disabled. When I will go to the next, then previous will get enabled. And you can see the data is changing. Now let's talk about this particular one card. If you will see, this is red icon is coming. Basically, this is coming dynamically. Based on the API data we are getting, in that we have a status key which tells the character is dead, alive, or it's unknown. So if it's dead, we are showing red. If it is alive, we are showing green. And unknown, for unknown, there should be one. Let me go back. Yeah, unknown. This is the gray one. We are doing gray icon. So these icons are coming from Feather. That's why we are using that. Whole this card list is dynamic. Basically, we are doing API request and then we are creating it. Let's go to the search and let me search Rick. You can see the data is coming. Let me search. So you can see this is working, but if there is no data, the no result will come. So this is what we are going to build in today's application. So please get your code editor ready or your notebook to take the note. One thing I want to, few things I want to add. The GitHub link will be in the description box, so you can go and check that. While I am building this application, I will keep sharing the code optimization or best practices. So please keep a note with you to take the notes with you. And at the end, we are going to do a test cases for this whole application, which is my favorite. We are going to write test cases for this also. Okay. So let's go to the code editor and let's start coding. Thank you.